Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you are not missed our last update of 5 altcoins as well as BTC. As we discussed in last video, BTC exactly doing. Alright, BTC was corrected from this 122730. Afterward we saw a small correction. As I said in last video, we might get a good jump from this level because when price was came at the point of support level, in some time buyers has entered and continued the bull side. You can see here from last this zone 5% move has been done with 5x leverage. That's about 25%. Okay, let's discuss about BTC as well as CoinW exchange. CoinW has listed OKB USDT and Perpetual Futures. CoinW is the first CEX that has these Perpetual Futures. Let's discuss in clear. Also, we will be analyzing OKB cryptocurrency in order to trade on CoinW exchange. First of all, let's discuss about BTC. As we saw a good momentum from this level as expected, afterwards price is shown a good strength and price is now currently testing or facing a resistance point. Now let's understand about next theory. Next theory in daily chart, we have one and only resistance, this one. Okay, this is not just a resistance, this is a huge resistance. Okay, afterwards price is exactly showing a reversal here. If you notice clearly, one day candle is already showing us a good closing just below this closing, just below this high. It means sellers are now acting here. Sellers are including at the point of resistance point. Okay, now what we can do, wait for some little bit correction. If BTC is correcting in between this area, we can wait. Afterwards just draw one resistance point slash support point. For now this point will be considered as the support point. If this is breaking down and if this is breaking down, then we can go with the sellers here. Next target will be like this at the point of this. Okay, even price showed some bullishness, there is a resistance point, that's why we may see a good correction level. So from this point to this we might have 4 to 5% correction point before the next leg up. You will get all cryptocurrency updates, market updates, chart analysis and free crypto trades on this Telegram channel. Check this Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is provided in the video's description. Simply you can jump out. Also mention the website link where you can see the available services from our side, amitandcrypto. Alright, in last update of TON USDT, I have shared one signal here. TON USDT long entry, target, stop loss, everything is mentioned and this is forwarded from the premium trades group. And you can see here 17 hours 52 minutes has been taken to reach the first profit, which is 3.7%. This is without leverage, guys. You have very less risk when you follow the spot trades, or if you prefer to the futures trades, you can go with the futures trades. You can read about premium service. Okay, why join, what are the benefits behind that, and just simply click on this website and read more. Okay, so stay tuned with the Telegram channel. Also you will get free Telegram signals here, so you will not miss any types of updates from the cryptocurrencies. Alright, I hope you guys are understood about the BTC. What are the symptoms right now? First of all, we will be seeing OKB USDT, which is Perpetual Futures on CoinW, and afterwards I will show you 5 altcoins review which was shared in last video. We will discuss everything in clear, so stay tuned with the complete video to understand each and every concepts in the detail. First of all, let's read about this article. CoinW has listed OKB USDT and Perpetual Futures. Dear CoinW users, you can see here pair name is OKB USDT and Perpetual Futures. Listed date is 13th August, which means recently got listed. Listing zone, minimum price movement, maximum leverage, everything is mentioned here. If you want to read trading rules, simply click on this link. Here we go. Contracts, guide and position tier. You can read about trading rules of any cryptocurrency which is listed on Perpetual section. Alright, in this case we want to go with OKB. Simply search OKB and you can see here code currency, contract size, minimum price increment, maximum margin per trade, max leverage and funding time. This is the most important thing you must know about funding rate before you take Perpetual position. Alright, I have made complete detailed video on funding rate. You may check this video in video's description as well as mentioned in video's I button. So simply you can jump out on funding rate concept. If you are not aware with that, simply you can go with that. Insurance funds are mentioned, so you can get idea how CoinW is securing to the users. Let's discuss about OKB cryptocurrency. Okay, we cannot analyze properly because coin is just listed over there. Now let's go with OKX platform. Oh, Here we go. This is listing effect. Recent local low point is $46 and high is $143. More than 3x jump is done here. Now let's understand upcoming key points. If you are missed this move, don't worry. We will catch more moves in future. Just stay connected with us. Alright. This was our historical resistance point. First of all, let's carry resistance points to understand possible correction points. Okay, no worries, we have a little bit good zone at the point of $74, so we can have one trade here. Okay, just wait patiently little bit. Here we go. This is the local support point as of now in smaller time frame. Alright, this is the resistance point. Price is flowing in this point. If suppose price breaks this support point and acts like, you know, creating a downtrend or just a sharp candle closing below this, wait for one more candle. If suppose sharp candle is creating, okay, if sharp candle is creating below this level and creating one more candle which shows the lower lows, then you can go with the sellers here. Next take profit zone can be $74 at stop loss above the closure. If suppose red is closed like this, you can put your stop loss like this. If red is closing like this, you can put your stop loss like this. Risk reward is quite good, more than 1:2. You may see and wait for the proper point in OKB. Without confirmation, don't open any trade because trend can reverse on upper side as well. That's why prefer to have a good confirmation. This is about OKB. Simply you can trade OKB on CoinW exchange. You can see the price fluctuation. You can easily transfer your funds from any section to futures account. Let's say you have funds in spot account or funding account. Simply click on all or set a amount and press the confirm button. Here we go, your balance will be transferred here. If you signed up recently and you are not seeing any option for transferring funds from spot account to futures, simply go to the first of all futures section. This will opt in for the agree some terms and conditions which are related to the futures section. Once you agree that terms and condition, you can simply transfer your funds from funding wallet to futures wallet, or simply spot wallet to future account, or P2P account to the future account. So before you join the future section, I recommend you to read all terms and conditions related to the futures section. I hope you guys are understood about OKB USDT and some futures trading precautions. Alright, now we will be seeing what was our 5 altcoins update and how it is performing. First of all, let's move with TRX USDT. Okay, let me make this favorite so I can easily find out that. As we discussed guys, TRX was in good momentum zone. I told you about momentum, how price is showing some good strength, buyers was in good condition. Just I was recommended to wait for this consolidation. If price is consolidating in this area, which area? $0.34 and $0.37. If this holding, then we can have good zone. As expected, price is holding with very good strength. This is not just a uptrend, this is a very good uptrend. Not a single red candle is included in this whole, you know, complete rally. 4 hours. In 4-hour time frame, if candles are generating strong, we can have good levels in futures. Now risk takers can take one trade here. Everything is looks good here. Okay, let me remove some levels so we can have some clear idea. Okay, as of now, let me adjust some levels here, and this is our zone where actually we see a breakout level. Now next expected zone is, this is our new high, or you can go like this, adding some safe zones. Next resistance point will be considered above 0.44. If you go with the risk reward calculation, here we go, our position will be like this. First of all, check how much percentage is included in stop loss ratio. Afterwards we can consider this trade. Okay, I'm okay with having 6% stop loss. Take profit is about 12%. Let me open this trade on CoinW. Currently I want to include 50 USDT. If 6-7% is stop loss, then I would like to go with 2x leverage because momentum is very strong and volatility is also included. So that's why if I use 2x leverage, that's about 14% risk and reward is 24%. That's okay for me. $50 will be added. You can see your cost information, or simply you can check your size information. You can add TPSL simultaneously and open your position. take profit is 0.41152 and stop loss is 0.34186. just cross check the values and click on your open position is successfully opened. Here you can check the information: isolated, long, size, average entry, max price, estimated liquidation price, and ROI. We will wait for this result of this position. And next we saw bio USDT. Let's understand how actually it is performing. I expected, guys, price is not able to continue the uptrend. After testing the resistance point, price is now showing a reversal point. Here you can see the clear structure. First of all, it has created one uptrend point. Afterwards, it is showing good strength over here. This is our currently one support point, but there are very less chances to hold this support point because sell pressure is higher here. If you want to take one short position here, you might consider, because we had one breakdown also. This was our previous support level, and previous support is broken down with good volume. That means sellers are heavy here. Okay, in this case we can also open one trade here. That's why patience is very much important, guys. When you wait properly, you will have a good idea to open your trade. 1.86 ratio. In this scenario, I want to go with the sellers. Let me open this trade. Okay, in this scenario, I want to add with 2x leverage because there is risk of 10%. With leverage, it will be 20%. Let me choose position size 50 USDT. I want to go with sellers in this case. Let me add take profit and stop loss. Stop loss is 0.12. Keep your stop loss strict, guys. In case if you want to resize the take profit levels, that's okay, but do not resize stop loss because stop loss is the most mandatory thing in cryptocurrency trading. 0.09330, 0.12570. All levels are set. Let me open the position with seller side, which is sell short. Check the confirmation. Short with 2x leverage, order price, size, projected liquidation price. Do not get opt-in for the liquidation price. Always use the stop loss points to save your some fees. Even if you want to go with the little bit funds and take higher leverage, that's not a deal because you are losing extra fees. That's why prefer stop loss. You can use small funds with small leverage, so that's a good deal. TRX USDT long position is opened, Bio USDT short position is opened. Now let's take a look with another pair, which is LDO. We had discussed about LDO as well. We don't have any confirmation yet because trend is just flying or flowing in this point on the resistance point. As of now, I will consider opening a short position just below this level, just below 1.41. If this is breaking down, I will have a short position, guys. My take profit ratio can be till this 1.1960 and stop loss above the previously closed candle, that is about 1.50, and trade will be very good in this case. Let's jump on next coin, which is Pump USDT. Okay, Pump USDT is not able to break this resistance point. If you wait patiently, when price is at resistance point, you will have a very good trade, guys. Now you can see a beauty of price action level. Price is not able to break this resistance point but stuck at the point of resistance point. It means sellers are heavy in this case, because if you take any action just after this 1-2 candles at resistance point, you might get a wrong trade. But in this case we can have one trade, guys. How? Let me tell you. Okay, let me add some trend line here to show you why we are taking this trade. Alright, this is the trend line and this trend line will break. Price is looking to break this trend line, and there are chances to break this trend line because this overall correction level, it shows that sellers are heavy at the point of this. Why I'm telling this, you can see here. First of all, price is came at the point of this level and afterwards it is rejecting many times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, more than 7 times price is shown that price is not able to stay at the point of this level. At least this overall things are good. Even I say many times, when price creates like this moment, it has bull scenario, but not all cases. In these cases we have some different story. How? I just explained to you. Price is staying at the point of resistance point, taking so many corrections like more than 7 times, then it's not a deal to take long position on the basis of this trend analysis. We can have one trade here as I see it right now, or simply we can wait for this little bit breakdown just because of this support. Not only this support, we have also last breakout. So waiting patiently for this breakdown will have one more advantage of taking lower side position. Okay, so let me wait for this, and afterwards we can have one trade below this resistance point, below this support point. Next, last coin is BCH USDT. I think this is also pumped with BTC. Here we go. Resistance was successfully acted as the support point. That's the beauty of price action. Bulls was strong there. Price is exactly broken this resistance point and acted as the support point. Just after the breakout, took the retest and showing some good strength. If price is staying some time in this area, we can have one more moment. It might go likely 650, 660, but condition price should stay stable on this point at least, or simply a range market should create. If not, if price is closing below this point, just we can go with the sellers and take profit will be till this. Two scenarios are in front of us. First is bull side if price is staying in this area for some time and giving us a good scenario at the point of support point. Taking trade at the point of support point is the good thing instead of taking trade even after confirmation in the middle point, because you will have good margin mode for the take profit as well as stop loss ratio. We have good confirmation in BCS, but still we want a great position, great entry. That's why wait for this 609, 607 holding, and if or any bullish candle or bullish scenario is generating, we are going with the buyers. If not, we are going the sellers. We have two options. We are open to take trade from both direction, not only with the bull side, not only with the bear side. That's how futures trading works, guys. I hope this episode was helpful for you. You can register on CoinW exchange. CoinW link is given in the video's description. You can use it application also for the feasible option. Download it from App Store or Google Play, or simply you can use the web version. Switch to the My Reward section. Here we go in profile tab and My Reward section. You can see the ongoing events. Super bonus 30, 500, 300. If you have enough trade volume as they mentioned here, you can opt in for the free position, guys. 30 USDT position, 500 USDT position, 300 USDT position. Conditions, expiration, everything is mentioned on this page. Simply visit the My Reward page and check what types of offers they have added here. Complete missions and participate in events to unlock exclusive rewards. This is official website of Amit Crypto, amitandcrypto.com. You can check the complete information on this page. If you are brand, you can connect with us. If you are user, crypto trader want to include in our premium group, simply you can participate in the premium group. You can contact me for any type of queries. If you have any queries, simply hit the contact button. All the contacts options are mentioned here. If you want to go with the affiliate partners, if you want some discounts on the crypto hardware wallet, simply click on the affiliate partners. And Coin Matrix section is good for you to understand clearly what happened in last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours in short. If page is not loading, simply click on the Coin Matrix and refresh this page. Time intervals are there, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. Okay, just point out the cryptocurrency and get the information. Let's say for example fill. Current price is $2.69, 24-hour growth, 7 days growth, 30 days growth. Everything will show in short. So actually this saves times to choose your cryptocurrency to trade. That's a advantage of this. 7 days time interval is there, 30 days time interval is there. If you want to get latest cryptocurrency news, simply click on the news section. Simply refresh this page to get all latest news. So basically this is the official website from our side. If you have any queries, simply connect with us. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.